So today we've got another Orion figures. This is the Soviet Dshk AA machine gun and crew from World War II. Now they've all got helmets, but I wanted to do a conversion kit. I like the fact these guys are looking up in the air and they're shooting. This would be great for a diorama for a helicopter. The parts look really easy to complete, and it's got a nice set of crew in the back, so let's have a look inside. Now I was really impressed with this kit because you get a lot of guys, a lot more than I was expecting. You've got a nice selection of, I believe it's 4 or 3? 3. Really nice sprues, and the detailing is really quite nice on there as well. Let's have a look at one of these sprues to see what we've got. And it's not bad. I mean, the worry about this is warping, especially with the Dshk, and I was worried that it was going to be all out of sync, but actually it's pretty decent, the detail that you can see there. The gun crew look fantastic with their PPSHs and also with their helmets. What I was going to do, like I said, was try and convert these guys, change their helmets to make them look a little bit more North Vietnamese regular army. I might even just change out the crew entirely, but I just kind of like the fact that I had these Dshks that I could set up in a diorama with Viet Cong or even NVA forces, which would be really nice. Again, with this mold, the next one, it's quite consistent, and again, like I said with Orion figures, it depends really what kind of mold you get. Sometimes you get good batches, sometimes you get really bad ones. But what you've got for what you're paying for is you've got some nice figures with a lot of detail. They look really cool, and to put them into a diorama is going to look really nice. So if you want to get hold of something unusual and different for World War II, or even an extra for your Vietnam dioramas, you should check out Orion figures. A lot more to come, guys, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.